Hey guys, Apurba this side. This is a quick video for a new package which called VideoGorilla. This is a package of video and marketing graphic templates that's specially designed for marketing purpose. All templates are done for you and it's very easy to edit and ready to use. So if you use these kinds of templates, you do not need to any kind of video editing software for editing those videos, because this package comes with a video editing software also, so you can edit those templates according to your need. Okay, so we will first see what you get in this package, and after that we will cover the bonuses which you will if you pick this from my link. Okay, so let's see the package which you get. Okay, so this is a here you can see mega package of video and marketing graphic templates that's specially designed for any marketing purpose. Okay, so you can use those templates on e-com video ads, explainer videos, story video ads, title animations, lower third, teaser videos, audio backgrounds, logo animations, graphic animations. Okay, in the box one you get energetic teaser videos of 15 templates. Okay, box 2 is 15 explainer and promo videos. Box 3 is 15 e-com story video ads. Box number 4 you get 15 e-com product video ads, so you can change the products and you can change the price and offers, and you can make some ads videos with it. Okay, next one is Gorilla. Box 5 is a dynamic logo opener and reveal, so you can take it as a freelancing job also. After that, Gorilla Box 4, which is 35 modern lower third videos. Okay, so you can edit those videos very easily. Here you will get 57 attractive shape scan transitions. Okay, here you can see some transition videos. Next you will get 53 energetic animated graphics typographics, sorry, so you will get some typographics. These are very modern and 21st centuries capable. Okay, so these are very easy to use and very easy to edit also. So here you can get 35 futuristics callout pointer and animation videos, or you will get 15 modern style title and animation videos. Okay, and you will get 35 attractive unique shape element effects. Okay, so you will get those effects and you will use these effects on your videos. Okay, the front end price is only $29, and you can upgrade this package to platinum, which is only $39, and they will add more templates to all categories. Okay, next downsell is only $27, so I didn't recommend the downsell, but you can upgrade this software to $39, which is the platinum package. So I will give you some bonuses for front end and I will give you some bonuses for platinum also. So all those bonuses are platinum bonuses, but I will divide it into two parts that will help you to get your goal very easily. Okay, so let's talk about the bonuses. Okay, so my exclusive bonus number 1 is promotional or explainer video templates, so I will give you some explainer video templates also. Okay, next here you can see YouTube channel cover, so you will get some templates of YouTube channel cover, so you can edit it, and you can all are drag and drop editing options you will get with these templates. Okay, so next here you can see social media profile covers, so you will get Facebook covers, Instagram have no covers are there, so Twitter cover, you will get all kinds of cover here. Okay, next here you can see event and branding promotional templates, so you can promote some templates, promote some business owners. Here you can see free live business, happy Halloween, live webinar. Okay, so you will promote this kind of program in with these templates. Okay, next here you can see video channel logo brand, so there is some logos you can edit. Okay, online coupon offer design, so some coupon offer designs are there. Okay, next one is a video squeeze page, so you will get some squeeze page that you can use as your landing page also, that will help you, I am sure. Okay, so these are the exclusive 7 bonuses for only front end. And for platinum, if you upgrade your software to platinum, then you will get some extra premium bonuses. So here you can see ecom product YouTube ads. So you will get done for you ads, just you need to edit your product, edit your price and offers, and you will good to go. So next here you can see promotional and explainer videos. So you will get some promotional and explainer videos. Here you can see which you can edit those: benefit 1, benefit 2, benefit 3 and benefit 4, and your video is ready to go. Platinum bonus 3 is a micro video profit starter. Here is YouTube video marketing graphics and secrets. Here you can see smart video sales later, smart video sales later version 2, video marketing excellence promotion video package, clickbank video product, lower point video collection. So this package will help you to find a profitable product on clickbank, which niche is video. So that will help you to promote this those products with these templates. Okay, so next one is platinum bonus 11, which is 140 ultimate stock photos. So these are the stock photos. Here you can see farming stock photos, animal stock photos, human stock photos, sport stock photos. So there is various kinds of stock photos which you can use on your promotions. Next is platinum stock photos, premium stock photos, sorry. So you will get extra premium stock photos here. Business characters, so you will get some business characters which you can use. Next is web and social media banners. So you will get 20 block banner templates, Photoshop layers with gradient and overlays you can edit. Okay, so these are the bonuses which you get, and there is another some bonuses are there, premium bonuses, which is presentation folder and name card. So you will get some name card which you can use. Okay, so now let's talk about how you can get those bonuses. Okay, so first of all you need to click on these buttons to buy the VideoGorilla, and after that you will see a download area which is in the package. And after you purchase it complete, all the bonuses above will be waiting for you inside the download area. So after you purchase it complete and confirmed. Okay, so you will get 14 days of money back guarantee. So you can use for 14 days. If you find not interesting, then you can return it. So with the front end package you will get all of those above templates. Okay, so if you upgrade your software to the premium version, then a platinum version, then you can then you get more templates and more features on the package. So that's it guys. I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is VideoGorilla is, and if you need some video templates, if you are an agency, if you are an affiliate marketer, or if you are a product reviewer, then these are the best templates which you can use in the modern age. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is VideoGorilla is and how it's work on your way. Okay, so thank you. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. This will motivate me to create more this kinds of videos and helping you out for your business. So thank you, take care, bye bye.